Hi, Pastor Diaz, Sue Ellen, and friends at Old River Assembly of God. We're John and Judy Heidi, your missionaries to those in the second half of life. We appreciate your prayers and support. Over many years, we've been able to go across the country into RV parks, churches, camps, bus trips. I remember when we came to Old River years ago, and you had just started the Elder Fire Ministry, and it was such an honor to be there for that launching of that great ministry. And I know God has been using you. We use pictures of your group that's serving in your food ministry in the past, and so we're grateful for your prayers and support. We've been busy. We go to Yuma, Arizona during the winter months, right on the border, the Mexican border. Los Algodones is just a few miles away, and we have ministry in the RV park where people from all over the country come to winter there. God has given us favor. We have a group somewhere between 80 and 120 people come on Sundays. We have a weekly Bible study, all for those in the second half of life. We've had a good opportunity to go into Mexico and take hundreds of these little message boxes. It tells about the creation story and then Jesus, and then there's a prayer that the boys and girls can say.
God created the heavens and earth. He created men, women, and all the animals.
Of course, we have those in Spanish. And we've been able to share, these will play about 1,000 times as we've shared hundreds of them in Mexico. We're believing for a harvest. Thank you for your prayers and support. Judy's going to tell you real quick about another ministry called Dress a Girl.
Our ministry is to senior adults. The senior adults like to be involved in ministry as well. And so one of the ministries that a lot of our senior ladies can do is what we call Dress a Girl. It's a program that's known internationally, and they make dresses for little girls out of men's shirts. They can also use material, but they started out as men's shirts, and they're cute little dresses. And they say that a girl that is dressed nice is less likely to be trafficked, and so it's a great ministry to be involved in.
Thank you again for your prayers and support. God bless you. We hope to see you real soon.